1 million years ago, the world was wild and untamed. Vast forests stretched endlessly across the land, and towering mountains cast long shadows over deep valleys. Strange and powerful animals roamed freely: mammoths with massive curved tusks, saber-toothed cats with sharp, gleaming fangs, and enormous birds with wings that could block the sun. In this world, early humans lived in small tribes. They were resilient, clever, and constantly learning from the land around them. Their skin was tanned from the sun, their hair dark and often unkempt, and their faces marked with the wisdom of survival. They wore simple clothing made from animal hides and furs, stitched together to keep them warm during harsh nights. Hunting was a daily challenge. Early humans used sharpened stones and wooden spears to catch prey. They learned to track animals through footprints and broken branches. And they shared every meal with their tribe. Fire, discovered after many trials, became their greatest ally. It provided warmth, protection from predators, and a way to cook food, which made meat safer and easier to eat. Gathering was just as important as hunting. Women and children collected fruits, nuts, and edible roots from the forest, carefully avoiding poisonous plants. They learned which berries ripened in which season and where to find water that was safe to drink. Shelters were simple but effective. Some tribes lived in caves, which protected them from storms and wild animals. Others built huts from branches, leaves, and mud, creating homes that could withstand wind and rain. Community was key. Every tribe member had a role. And survival depended on cooperation, communication, and trust. Despite the dangers, early humans thrived. They adapted to changing climates, learned from their mistakes, and passed knowledge from one generation to the next. Their creativity, courage, and resilience allowed them not just to survive, but to lay the foundations for the future of humankind. 1 million years ago, life was harsh, unpredictable, and sometimes terrifying, but it was also full of discovery, ingenuity, and the first sparks of human civilization.